What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to unbox 5 more camping gadgets. This side here, wolf blanket, and this blanket would be perfect for camping, sitting by the bonfire. It's not puffy, it is wolf, so it keeps a lot of heat on you. It's chilly out here right now, and just covering myself up, I'm starting to get my heat reflected onto the blanket and keep it all the warmth on me. And it's quite big, look at that. It covers up all the way around. You can lay it on the grass. It's amazing. So wanted to show it to you. That's a perfect gadget for camping and survival. Simple but perfect because easy to clean, and it's just awesome. I don't think it will burn holes in them easily either from the campfires. Next we have here Geotag Bushcraft Knife. Let's see what this one is all about. Boom, this is a little bit over $100. Looks like it comes with a fire striker. Beautiful. One of those ferro rods, whatever they called. Nice, a big one. It will emit quite a bit of sparks. And then right here looks like it could be hung like a neck knife. That's a bit too big for a knife, but I guess there's a belt loop right here. I don't even know what this for. Maybe so. But then you have here a big knife. Wow, look at that. Geotag, beautiful survival knife, bushcrafting knife, almost like a hatchet. Look how thick that is. So if you need to split a firewood in half, you can do so because it's so thick. This is probably my best bushcraft knife ever. The handle feels really good too. That's amazing. That's a brand of it. Beautiful. And then right here you have this sharpening stone. Beautiful. I'll put this back, and this will go in here into the leather. But also the reason why I got another survival knife, obviously I only had one of them, so it's not enough. I had to get another one in case my one will kind of get broken. So let's open this up. You can buy this leather holder knife. This one is huge. Hopefully it will fit this pocket. Looks like a zipper holder. I think so, yeah. And then let's see. I guess it's will hold like a belt loop sideways like that. So on the belt will be like this, you see? So let's put it in. Will it fit this knife? Yeah, it does. Look at that. And it fits all the way in. And look, this strap is adjustable. That is cool. And then another button side here. This side here you can buy separately, but look how cool it is. Actually, you can put it over the belt anytime. You just take this thing off, put it over the belt so it's sideways, or you can put it over the backpack and lock it up. So anyways, a little bit different than this leather case. I don't know. They both pretty awesome. But I just thought it was cool because it has right here some kind of lighter holder. Beautiful. It's just very different, and it protects the whole knife whenever it's inside here. But is it easy to pull it out? Not so much. There you go. So I thought I would show you. You can buy customizable knife holder, but most of the knives already comes with the leather holders, and if they don't, you can buy separately one of these things. Next I have right here another folding saw, and I think this thing is like cheapest folding saw you can find. I'm gonna double check. $12 for this thing. Let's put it to the test. I think I was gonna call it the cheapest folding saw on Amazon. So $12 folding saw on Amazon, probably the cheapest folding saw out there. I'm sure you can find cheaper one. Things change all the time. This is dry branches, loose ones on the ground, no problem. Look at that, like at least an inch, no problem, easy. I have a stump over here. Let's cut it down so that way it doesn't go back. This is start going into my garden over here. You need to cut it down. So there goes nothing right in the middle right here. But look, to trim it up so easy. So yeah, there goes nothing right over here. A bit. A bit too small for this log. I'd say this is more like for pruning. But nevertheless, let's see. I think I'll have to turn around every time. Stuff over here in the way. $12 saw. Look how it's shredding it to this tree. Pretty awesome. Getting clogged a little bit. 2 hands, no problem. I'm probably gonna turn it a little bit. Let's zoom in too. Oops, slips out a little bit because it's so small. The blade, I don't have that much space to work with. Also, does it cut both ways? Yes, this one cuts both ways, in and out. Whew. I'm losing some of my strength now. Almost done. Whew. Let me move the camera one more time and take a breather. And we're gonna get rid of some of that stump. There you go. So, if you're still wondering, $12 saw, good investment. Look how big that piece is. It's definitely worth it. Beautiful, I can't believe it. $12 saw, and it's folding. So just close it. Wow, look at that, huge. At least like what, 6-7 inches. Next, I'm gonna show you for all those people who haven't seen one more time. This is a zipper axe. There is a saw. You see, with the hand right here, you can sew stuff up. You cannot sew anything too thick because this will be in the way. First of all, you wanna release this, then it will let go. I think then this thing will be a bit easier to take it off, or you can do it other way around. Boom. Then there's a blade in here. There's a blade holder. Slide the blade in right here. Lock it. Okay, then we have here a hatchet. It's not full-on axe, it's a hatchet. Remember, you have here some kind of composite plastic axe. You don't want to put too much power into it because you don't want to crack it. As you can see, it goes inside of it, and there's a little hammer comes out of it. It's pretty unique in a way, almost like a collector's item. Those people who like zipper stuff, I think they'll be cool addition to your lighters and stuff like that. And then once you're done with the folding saw, you can just put it away, close it. Why I wanted to include it one more time, because it's a very unique invention. Again, how do we take off this saw? Simply just pull this all the way out like that, remove the blade. I assume you can buy, and they've been out for a while and they're still selling them, so I guess they have been successful. This is not new invention for sure, but definitely stuck around. Okay, and then you make it tight, and there's a spring inside of it, so that way it will stay tight. And then you screw this together, and again you have here a saw with the handle. Pretty awesome. But again, whenever you go into something too thick, like this thicker, you won't be able to cut it. I guess you'll have to cut one side and then the other side, because this will be in a way. So this is why folding saws are better, but you can use an axe for that. So it's pretty cool, unique survival tool right here, or camping axe.